And in today's video, I'm bringing you a new way of making money online. This is something, again, you can do all over the world, and it's very simple. It's kind of brand new as well, so you'll want to hear about this one and jump on board before everyone does it.
All right, let's get straight into it. And today I want to show you how you can make money with this platform called Rumble. So, Rumble is a little bit like YouTube. You can upload videos, but it is different. It is a lot easier to monetize your content, to have your content monetized, because there is no conditions whatsoever to make money. It's not like YouTube where you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watching hours on your channel. Here you can monetize your videos right away. So I just want to show you, like, let's say, so if you go to Rumble here, it's very simple. You just need to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. It's fairly easy, and I'll leave the link below this video if you don't have an account yet. But let's take an example of the potential earnings. So here, those are the viral videos, as you can see, and it is, I mean, those are really short videos, 20 seconds, 44 seconds. They're fairly short. And here for 2,000 views, this person earned 96 cents. Yes, it's not much, but the more videos you post, and the more chances you can earn something for your video without having to go through first the threshold that, let's say, YouTube has to be able to be monetized. So you can see that same person has a few videos. So here, $2.89. So if we scroll down, some videos have a bigger earning, like this one, $36. But you get my point, and you can see again that same person. So honestly, the more videos you post, and the more money you can potentially earn. And it is completely free to join. You can join from everywhere in the world. And I want to show you some other videos as an example here. This is the viral section. So if you do post videos that are on the viral section, it will as well go to their YouTube. I'm going to bring the page, the Rumble Viral, and it is right here, as you can see. And here you have the most popular video. So, what is interesting in this is that whenever you're going to when you will open your account, you'll have the choice to choose a license. And let me see if I can bring it up here. Rumble licensing. I want to explain to you what are the options so you can see for yourself Rumble licensing options. So, if you want to make the most money, you want to take this one, the video management, because this is the one where, okay, if you upload a video on Rumble, which is completely easy, you'll see a section just to upload your videos. You just upload it, and that's pretty much it. They'll ask you first to choose your licensing option. So if you take the video management, so you're paid via PayPal, of course. It's very often an option for payment. Turnaround time 3 days. So they're going to take 3 days. Yeah, as you can see, chains of approval, it's really high. They'll give you 60% of the earnings on the video posted on Rumble, but then when they'll put it on YouTube, you'll get 90% of the earnings. And the third parties like MSN, AOL, Yahoo, like these other platforms, when the video is posted, you'll get 60% as well. And you get a copyright protection, and that's that. If you take this option, you also can make money, but it won't post your video on YouTube. So we know that YouTube is very, very powerful, um, for videos online. So I would highly recommend you to take the video management license if you want to make the most money. So here you got the same advantages here as the video management license here, 60% for the video on Rumble and 60% for the third parties videos. But of course, you don't have the YouTube. And if you just want the Rumble video player, so this is pretty much the basic license, it is 60% of your earnings from Rumble, and that's pretty much it. So it is fairly simple to upload your video on Rumble. You can, if you already have videos on YouTube, you can just like upload them on Rumble, and then from there, they can potentially post it here. Look at this channel here, the Rumble viral videos. They have already 1.9 million subscribers, which is huge. So, your video is going to be pushed to all the subscribers. So, the chances of your video to be earning something on their Rumble viral page is extremely high. And here you can see the videos are they're super short in time, right? 3 minutes 15 seconds here, and you get 39 million views. That's huge. 7 years ago, of course. But you can go to the home section here, and yeah, and you can see they have a ton of videos, and they're actually as well putting the short videos. As you know, YouTube is going to pay the creators with their YouTube shorts next year, probably at the end of the year, or January 2023, or February, maybe beginning of next year. So it is recommended to as well post some YouTube shorts because you should get ahead in the game, because you can potentially make money as well with this. So, Rumble is a platform that is growing really rapidly now. As you probably already know, a lot of people are switching from YouTube to Rumble for numerous reasons. Some are banned on YouTube for whatever reason, and they just switch to Rumble because that's the way it is. So it doesn't cost you anything just to join Rumble and to just post your videos. If you already post them in different platforms, such as TikTok, let's say, such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels as well, Pinterest, I recommend just posting them as well on your Rumble accounts. And just, the more videos you have spread out in different social media platforms, the more chances of passive income you can make. So, this is it for today's video. I just wanted you to check out Rumble and how you can as well take advantage of their monetization program, which is so simple to join. I mean, there's no condition whatsoever, but just to join their platform. So you just click here on the sign in button and you're good to go. You just need to upload your video. And if you do have some experience doing this already, if you've done it for a small time and you want to share your experience and you want to let me know how it goes or how it went, if you did make money with uploading videos on Rumble, I would love to hear from you. If you can let me know how you did. I just recently joined Rumble, and I will definitely share my experience once I have a little bit more history on the platform uploading videos. And for now, I really can't say much because I just uploaded just one video. So yeah, I'll let you guys know later on down the track how it went. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching my video. Really appreciate the time you take. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't liked the video yet, and I hope you enjoyed it, if you did, please give me some thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.